Taking it on the road, large sketchbook outdoors. So I found this really cool 6B lead pencil, which the whole pencil is like 100% lead. There's no like wood, and a really lovely drawing experience with that kind of pencil. So taking it on the road, I went outside. I want to draw this tree. That's the one that the greeting card leaf from 2 days ago was the source. And yeah, it was windy out there. Beautiful day. Canvas the vapor kept flying around, but anyway, a lot of fun. And there were moments I was like, this is so tedious, why am I even doing this? But anyway, just kept at it, and a lot of details in that tree. Tree we actually planted when we moved here like 25 years ago, so it started out as sapling, and now it has